Origario Mokonyi, Bumarai Buense, Professor Kithure Kindiki, Mwaziri wa Senato Borendi Boime Yense Kipchumba Murkomen, Nikobara Umuroberio, Bue e parade ya abobisa, buse abanyanyimbo bechi prison sensemo ya Ruiru, ase Mokonyi Bumarai Buense, ababodri, bagendere koenekia emeremo yabo, ase alibanya, sasa maigiri alibanyo, siasa chitari koenekiwa, asensemo ya Kipchumba Murkomen, Nikobona mwakere mbiamono Mokonyi Bumarai Buense, ase miroberio yemesingi, yu abegeta ase wizare yu konye atarakina uchiasekergo Kyobokonyi Bumarai Buense.
As officers of a disciplined service, your authority must never become an instrument of partisan politics. This responsibility becomes even more important as our country approaches the next general election. Your loyalty does not belong to any candidate, party, or political interest. Your loyalty belongs to the Constitution, the Republic, and the people of Kenya. Political competition must never become a contest against peace. The Kenya Prison Service is not an institution at the margins of our national security architecture. It stands at its center. You do not merely keep offenders in custody. You safeguard the public, support the administration of justice, and prepare those committed to your care to return to society able to live within the law.
Today we've done two very important things. Number one, Your Excellency, is the commissioning of the Wanini Kireri hospital here, Magereza Hospital. Your Excellency, I'm not speaking to you as a new person. You were the immediate person in charge of this project and in charge of this ministry. And we are extremely privileged that you have taken your time to come here. We did not need to struggle to brief you on anything. You laid a very firm foundation under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, assisting His Excellency the President as the Cabinet Secretary responsible for Interior and National Administration. And now, as the Deputy President, you continue doing a fantastic job to help His Excellency the President. We are proud of the work you did as a Cabinet Secretary here. I found a very solid and firm foundation that has enabled us to grow, to move forward the programs and the projects that you had established together with the team. Let me just congratulate you. Since you became the Deputy President, you have carried out the professionalism that you showed as a Cabinet Secretary Interior.